When Kellie Brotherton reached 305 pounds and realized she was unhappy with both her life and her lifestyle, she decided something needed to change. 135 pounds later, she's happier than ever. Hello, I'm Watson, and today we're looking at how Kellie lost all that weight. And stick around for the end of the video where I'll tell you about Thynergy, which will boost your energy levels higher than ever. She says she grew up in a home that did not put focus on healthy eating habits or the importance of physical activity. She played sports when she was younger, but once she grew into her teenage years, she gave those activities up, turning to a party lifestyle and was more focused on being social. As a teen, she says she really started to gain weight and used food as a form of comfort. Her sister worked at a fast food pizza chain, so pizza was a regular part of her diet. She said she began her transformation in July. She made very subtle changes at first, such as cutting out fizzy drinks and fast food. After 3 months of that, she began seeing changes in her body and health. That's when she started limiting white refined carbohydrates and sugar. She also focused instead on consuming lean meats and whole foods. With diet alone, she lost about 30 pounds. Then she started exercise and Zumba, losing an additional 75 pounds. After those 4 months, she decided to join a facility that taught a variety of classes. She always loved dance, so she started taking Zumba 4 to 6 times a week. And after 6 months of that, she really started seeing significant changes in her body. In total, she went from 305 pounds to 170 pounds, losing 135 in total. So click like for her hard work. Oh, and I'm happy to report that she kept that weight off too. So speaking of keeping the weight off, let's check out Thynergy.
Hi guys, I'm Tori, aka That Tori Girl, and welcome to my channel. What is your diet fitness routine like? I do Orange Theory Fitness. My diet is all over the place. I try to do low carb, but obviously I have good days and bad days, you know. Hey guys, what is up? Tori Suicide here. I want to give a big shout out to everyone who is using Thynergy to help lose some weight. High five to you guys. If you're not using Thynergy, what are you doing? It is a great way to keep slim and trim. Really awesome to implement into your regular exercise and fitness goals. So check out Thynergy and let me know what you think.